Hello everyone, Jim from Lubecore, Minnesota. One thing I want to talk to you today about is tubing. You know, what I have seen in the field is a wide variety of quality as far as components go. And I just want to explain how we come about, how we determine what type of system or tubing we're going to put on your machine. If you look down here, for a lot of on-road applications, we're generally using a nylon tubing. Burst pressure about 1400 psi. Most systems are generally running 1,000 pounds of head pressure, so that's more than enough. It's reasonably abrasion resistant. It does come with a pre-sheathed, which is kind of nice. It gives it some additional protection. Most tubing comes pre-filled, and the reason we want to do that is it takes forever to push grease through this small volume. When we're running into a situation where we may find that this is not providing enough protection, we do have a special tubing style called Korilla. It's a Kevlar braid and it's pre-filled with grease and very durable. I've had customers with 1,000,000 repetitions or flexes on the tubing still using it. So when we look at a system, what we're really trying to bring to you is durability, consistency, and reliability. And in order to do that, we use a combination of factors to keep the price affordable, but yet give you the durability and abrasion resistance that you need when it comes to tubing choices. Here's an example of where we may use a combination. If I'm doing an excavator or a heavy piece of equipment, I'm bringing the heaviest duty tubing and components that we offer. If I'm doing an on-road truck, I may recommend to you that we use a lighter grade nylon tubing because it's more inexpensive relative to the more robust heavy-duty tubing. So here's an example on this automated side loader where we're going to use a combination. So we're going to do some things to help keep the customer's costs down by using nylon tubing in areas that are well protected and see minimal movement. If we move down to the arm here where the action is happening, we know that garbage cans have lids that flop open, material falls out of the garbage can, there's a lot of movement. In this area, we're going to use a heavier duty tubing. Thanks everyone for watching our video. In summary, Autolube is our business. It is what we do. If you have questions about tubing, we stock a full supply of tubing styles, fittings, compressions. We keep those on hand here in central Minnesota in our shop. If you order today, we're generally filling today. We use a wide variety of shipping couriers to get you your products that you need fast, quick, and efficient.